Well, today our topic is exponents and we have got a very important question, that is 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x plus 1 equals to 36, and from this equation you need to solve the value of x. A very easy question, but I have often seen students getting confused in this kind of questions. If we look at this equation properly, 3 to the power x, keep it as it is, no need to change. Now if you look at this part, that is 3 to the power x plus 1, most of you gets confused in this part. Let us solve this, how we can sort it out. Now see, if we do a rough 3 to the power x plus 1, this means in terms of exponents, can we write 3 to the power x into 3 to the power 1? Please pay a bit of attention. Since we all know that when the bases are equal, and if there is multiply sign, what we do? We add the powers. So can we write 3 to the power x plus 1? We are adding the powers as because the base was same and there was multiplication sign. This is what it is given over here. So in this case, can we write 3 to the power x into 3 to the power 1? We are breaking the power. 3 to the power x, for the plus sign we are putting multiply, and 3 to the power 1, and that is equivalent to 36. Now see, it's very easy. From this equation we can take 3 to the power x common. We can take 3 to the power x common, as because 3 to the power x is present in this part also, and 3 to the power x is present in this part also. Now if we take 3 to the power x common, what do we have here? 3 to the power x and 3 to the power x gone, so we have 1 plus 3 to the power x is taken as common, so what we have? 3 to the power 1. 3 to the power 1 means how much? 3, bracket close, this is equals to 36. A very easy step, we are just taking 3 to the power x common. Now in the second line, in the third line, 3 to the power x, bracket means multiply, 3 plus 1 is 4, that is equivalent to 36. So from there, 3 to the power x is, as 4 is in multiplication sign, if we take this 4 to that side, it will be 36 divided by 4. So 3 to the power x is how much? 9. 3 to the power x is 9, 36 divided by 4. Now your next part is to break this 9 into power of 3. So if we do 3 to the power x is equals to 9, we can write 3 to the power 2. 3 to the power 2, that is 9. So 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So the value of x is 2, and this is your final answer. Done.